Is your AC struggling to keep your home cool and comfortable? Comfort Installation Air LLC provides professional AC system repair services to get your cooling system back up and running fast. From weak airflow and unusual noises to system breakdowns and cooling issues, our experienced team diagnoses and repairs problems quickly and efficiently. We focus on reliable service, honest solutions, and long-lasting repairs you can trust. Stay cool and comfortable with expert AC repair from Comfort Installation Air LLC. Dependable service when you need it most.